Morning guys, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Pridedirekomorajane and I hope you click the red subscription button down below and become a part of this family, and also click on your notification button so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah guys, good morning. I'm not sure if this is going to be a vlog or a spend the day with me, but then yeah, I got up, which is a good thing. I got up, grateful for that, made my bed, took a bath. I feel fresh, I feel good. I did my skin is going through a lot, but I'm not gonna blame anything. I know that it's the fact that I've been sick. You guys know that I've been sick since January started. Like on the 1st of January guys, I was flat inside the blankets. Like my bones were sore. Oh, you know what, I don't wish what I had on anybody, but then yeah, that's what happened. So I think I neglected the skin because all I did was focusing on like cleansing it and then just put like a moisturizer on it, and that was it. So I need to start like doing the deep cleansing, you know, like deep moisturizing, the masking, the scrubbing, you know, those type of things for my skin so that it can get better. Yeah, but then yeah, welcome to another video. Feels kind of weird and awkward because it's been a while, hey, but then yeah, we are here. Another thing, I wanted to thank you guys so much for the love shown on my previous video. Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you, like thank you, a very big thank you to each and every one of you. So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so I want to quickly make a smoothie, and then I thought, you know what, let me come on here and say hi to the people, because I was almost going to make a smoothie without even coming here to say hi. And then the plans for today is for me to try and create a reel. I struggle with creating reels, guys. Like I struggle, but then I don't want to fail without trying, so I'm gonna try and then fail once I've tried. So I'm gonna try and create that today, and then we will take it from there. I know I'm not gonna be able to do the reel with you guys, but then when it's done, if I'm happy with it, I'll try and insert it somewhere here, or you can just might as well follow me on my Instagram page. It is at Pridedirekomorajane, and then you will catch up with the reel over there. But then yeah guys, let me stop rambling and let's go make that smoothie. Go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. the smoothie is so thick, but yeah, I guess it's gonna fill me up a bit. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start while my phone charges, and then I'm gonna see you guys later in the day. So yeah, wish me luck on that reel. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my makeup. Okay, not finished now because I tried shooting the reel. I'm not sure if we are winning or not, because I still haven't edited it. And yeah, once it's edited, I think I can then say. But then when it comes to pictures, I can't take pictures either, like because of the weather. It's so on and off, and the pictures are coming so weird ish, guys. And my mic, and I'm addicted to it. Like I keep saying that I'm addicted to my mic. Okay, so before the mic interrupted us, I was saying that this thing is coming off as like a brownish color, and it's blue, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna try again to take pictures. I'm not gonna give up yet. And then it's 4 o'clock now. The time is 4. I want to quickly make food as well, like dinner for tonight, because I prefer starting cooking around 5ish, so that at 7 it is sorted and then it's done. And I'm also very hungry, guys. Like, sorry, I'm looking at the screen because I'm looking at the time, the recording thingy. But then yeah, I'm so hungry. I am so hungry. It's not even funny. So I want to quickly take the pictures, and then at least when I chill and eat, I know that that's done, that's out of the way. So yeah, let's do that, and then we're going to meet up when we cook. And then in terms of the reel, if it's good, you guys will see it somewhere here, and the pictures as well. If they're anything lovely, then I'm gonna try and insert them also somewhere here. But then if you don't see them here, you can always follow my Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description box below so that you guys can link and go straight there, or I'll just leave like the name here. As you can see, even now with the lighting, like it's going on off because the weather, it's not deciding whether it wants to rain or what. We have those problems. But then yeah, makes it hard to produce anything great, honestly. But then yeah, let me go try that other side and then see what I'm gonna come up with. So I'm gonna see you guys later when we start cooking. I feel like I'm rambling, and yeah, let me stop. I feel like I'm rambling. All right guys, we are in the kitchen now, so let's start cooking and get dinner ready. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so we are done cooking. Now I'm gonna sit and enjoy the food with the family. So I'm gonna have to love and leave you over here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until this far, you guys are amazing, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so already, and click on your notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to like this video, guys. Please, if you have not yet liked this video, go back and click that like button. Thank you guys so much. Till my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.